G'day guys, down here at the Pancake Parlour Highpoint, a Melbourne family business. Gonna go and check out their newly renovated restaurant. Let's go and get a feed.
Ice cream. Strawberries.
Welcome to Highpoint, mate. Newly renovated store.
Thank you.
How you feeling?
Yeah, good.
Good. What are we having today? Steaks? Feel like a steak today, or?
Let's just make some pancakes.
Yeah, cool.
Make some pancakes.
Come with me, mate. Oh, Liam, this is where it all happens, mate. This is where we lay the cakes. Try to make them round, right? Yep. I'll lay for you first, right? And then you get in on it, mate, right?
Alright, no worries.
Just like that. Grab it. A couple of squeezes there. Try to get the right ones, right size there. That's about it, mate.
Okay.
Now, we haven't introduced any oval pancakes to the menu, so let's try to keep them round.
Alright.
Let's see how we go, mate.
Just up here?
Yep, just a bit lower.
Ooh. Pancakes. Ice cream. Strawberries.
Lovely.
Oh, Liam, we just finished cooking them. Now, this is where it all happens, mate. You pick what you want. And
the strawberries look pretty fresh.
Yeah? Cool.
I might just chuck some of them
Do
on
it,
there.
mate. Don't be shy.
Strawberries.
Lovely.
Pancakes.
Sorry, wait guys, there's yours. It's just in the kitchen cooking some up. Let's dig in, shall we? Right, Bulldogs fans, while I'm tapping in here, you should come down to Highpoint, and you know the Pancake Parlour has all your functions and needs and everything, so come down and enjoy it. It's pretty tasty.
Pancakes. Ice cream. Strawberries.
I'm stuffed, that was amazing. Just a message to all their members before I go, make sure you visit the Bulldogs Friendly Business website so you can have a look at the Pancake Parlour's offers, and they're happy to help out all the members.
Pancakes. Ice cream.